There you go. Okay. And I'm live. I should be live. Why does it take so long? Oh, there you go. Here you are. That should bring you my video. So, yeah, for some reason YouTube's not doing a great job.
Yeah, right.
Oh,
can you say something?
Yeah, hello?
Wonderful. So I'm on YouTube, I muted it, I turned up the sound so I can see everything,
Mm-hmm.
and I can hear you.
Great.
Yeah, that's much better. Now I can see a lot.
So basically there's an application I created. And it's gonna load soon. Here you go, see? AI-powered sample manager. And the idea is basically you can like import a sample pack. You can choose which folders you want to import.
The screen is frozen. I think the screen is frozen, at least on YouTube.
Oh, come on. Oh, what? Oh, it is frozen.
I'm sorry to interrupt your wonderful day.
No, this is great. Properties. Let's see, capture card device, macOS screen capture. I don't know why everything's so complicated. There we go. Let me make it smaller. Oops, I did not mean to do that.
I think it's only showing part of your screen.
Yeah, I know.
So yeah, if you know that, that's all cool.
I just have to resize the thing because it always starts very big. There you go. There you go. This should be live soon. Next, I did load it.
It is. It is. Yeah,
Okay,
it
so
is.
you can see
I saw you
import,
rotating the screen.
wait, let me demonstrate again. So you import sample pack. You select the zip file with full samples. You say which subdirectories you care about. So I care about the WIF files only. And now I can export the noises. It's a bit loud. I'm gonna have to add a volume thing to that thing. So what I know, what I want now is I want volume.
For the record, I do not hear it.
You didn't hear any of that?
Yeah, because it's playing into your headphones, I assume, but not into the stream.
No, it's playing on my big screen. Mac audio capture. Audio.
But I think I understand where you're going with.
Can you hear this now? Oh wait,
Yep.
you're not listening on YouTube. You're listening on Thingy, right? I'm streaming, and the audio should be on YouTube.
So I can make you silent on.
Oh, that's loud as hell. I should really change the audio volume. So basically, I want to add a feature. The volume right now is pretty loud. Please add a volume control in the bottom left of the application. Keep it simple and minimalistic and neumorphic, and use gold as accent color. Which one am I using? Yeah, Claude. So basically I tell it to change my UI, and now it's computing, and yeah, it's slow. It's not like NVim, right? These things are slower. It's thinking. It's like thinking through what it needs to do. Starts reading files automatically, because I have it set to auto-proof. Like you can turn it to not auto-proof, but mine is all auto-proof because I don't feel like waiting. Modifies the file, goes through it, writes a new file, and then jumps to the diff. All right, they made a mistake, I think. Yeah, jump. See, I made a mistake. The application reloaded and there's a bug. So I think it's going to conduct itself. Yeah, there's some formatting issues. I think it duplicated the code. It's fixing the code. Going through it more carefully. You can live follow along what it does, right? And then if I go to my terminal, I do get diff, get status, and I can see what has changed. I'm ready to make changes soon or submit them soon. What I wish it would give me is that while it computes one thing, I could look at a different file and it would give me the diff of that file. That would be great. Anyway, it's computing, it's still computing. It's a bit slow. More computing, more writing. You can tell on the right what's changing. You see the red and yellow blocks. Blah, blah. Why are they being so slow today? Right, so just generate all this code. I can't hear you anymore. I don't know if you're still there.
Yeah,
No.
it occurred to me you cannot hear me because when I deafened you in Discord, it also turned my microphone off. There's no way in Discord to turn off the speakers, but not the microphone. Anyways, I followed. It looks cool. I only made a few comments.
Do you want what?
I only made a few comments along the way. We didn't miss much.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And yes, so the idea that we would love to the diff.
Yeah. I don't know what. Why is it taking? What's it doing? It's being very slow today. Usually, it's still writing. Okay, still issues.
I don't think it qualifies for slow, to be honest.
It is quite slow today. I don't know why. It's a bit slower than usual.
It needs to do a lot of crap.
It's writing a lot of data, yeah. It's like doing it, but still, it's slower than usual. Usually it's a little bit faster. I don't know if Claude's being overloaded. I am using Claude. And it used to be a little bit faster. Not a lot faster, but like you would stream a little bit faster than this. Like, instead of this speed. Anyway, so what I do then is, because I'm waiting on this thing to finish, I just go to a different app, namely my Discord bot. This is this one. And I work on my Discord bot, or I work on my website. So I have I just swipe between left and right between 3 projects. While this computes, I work on the other one. Y'all. All right, I need to change the color of my dark mode. Someone told me that my UX colleague told me this is not enough contrast.
Yeah, let's have it fix it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Show me the vibes.
All right, so am I in the right repository? Yes. In dark mode, oops.
Yeah, you and me are alike. I'm also nice to the AI.
Yeah, I'm always nice to the AI. You never know when it's going to take over.
It's not just that.
Also, like, it teaches you to communicate well, you know? It's a good practice.
You also teach it to communicate well.
That's true. That is also true.
All right.
Okay. Okay, localhost. Is that different? Oops.
Yeah, I don't quite see the difference.
I don't see the difference either. No, I don't think I did it right. Let's see. Inspect. Text neutral dark. Maybe it's gonna check itself. Prove. See where this is at. My God, it's so slow today. I don't know what's going on. It's still missing content. I think this file's too large. That's one thing you sometimes have is if the file's too long, you see how it doesn't terminate the file because it runs out of context on the output.
Yeah, in theory, you should be able to tell it to make smaller files, right?
Yeah, I know,
did
but
try
I
it.
haven't done that yet with this one. And the problem is if your file's too big, then you're totally screwed.
Well, since we're doing it together, if you feel like you need some external push, I'm happy to be that push.
Sure. still the same. Okay, whatever. Well, let's first get. Okay, you know what? Cancel. There you go. Get status. Oh, get odd. So start a new task. Please read. There you go. I think I need to do this manually. Text neutral.
What are you looking for?
I'm looking for how to make my tailwind brighter because this stuff needs to be brighter.
It's more like maybe it's just like bolder font would do it. Font weight might not be the color.
Oh no, that's what I do. I just change this to 200. No. Dark text neutral 400. 600 it becomes darker. 200. 400 is like this. 300. Ah, okay. Okay. Meanwhile, it's refactoring my application.
Still doing that.
Yeah, well, it's creating all these files. I already made the third file, see? So I made the file explorer file component, the sample card component. Don't know if it works yet. It's a test, but
all you asked for is a volume control.
no. This time I asked it to refactor, right? Because
I see. Okay.
I stopped it at get restored because it was going the wrong direction, and then I said, please refactor the code.
All right. I'm eager to see the diff.
All right, let's see. Much better. Yeah. No, this is the local host, sorry. Yeah, that's much. It's much better. Right? Much more visible.
Yeah, from the poor screen I can see, it does look bolder.
It's not bolder, it's just brighter.
Well, for
Okay.
the way it renders on my screen is that the pixels are bigger.
Oh, interesting.
How many lines of code is this?
Let's see. Oops. No, I hate when it steals focus. That's the only thing that drives me nuts.
That's all of it, or
What?
all of it? CLOC, clock, count lines of code.
Oh, come on, stop stealing focus.
Clock space period. Brew install clock. Yeah, like this.
Oh, interesting. This is why I like working with other people. You learn things you didn't know about yourself.
Oh, it's a really cool tool, yeah. Oh, that's probably your node modules.
Yeah, exactly. Doesn't have
Would-
default.
which proves it's nicer than WC.
Yeah.
But do you have like a sources directory?
No, unfortunately,
SRC?
no. I have an app directory and a components directory, and a data directory. Like
Well,
it
you
is
can
no
do
top
you,
level
you
stuff.
can you can control C it, and you can do like clock space app space components or whatnot. Yeah, that doesn't count. That's not yours. Like no K. It's LLC.
Alright.
Yeah, it's pretty sweet.
And then this one.
It's count lines of code. It's an
I
acronym.
know.
That's why there's
It's
no
just
K.
automatic.
I know. No, there must be something.
Yeah, there must be something.
Although,
Oh, the target thing maybe.
so one friend of mine I worked with for a couple of years,
Mhm.
he taught me a good heuristic. The heuristic is that you might end up working on a project where like the source code is a RAID cluster that is super slow.
Mhm.
So you want to structure directories such that you can like symlink the output artifacts to some other local drive,
Yes.
whereas your source code should be super secure.
Mhm.
And since I've internalized this, I always have this SRC directory, so that like there's no way my source code can be polluted by node modules or whatnot.
Yeah, I know. I sometimes do as well. Sometimes I don't.
I'm pretty sure the AI can do that.
Come on, what is it still doing? Okay. Anyway, web page up done. So I did git commit. Push. Do you like my apple in my terminal?
Well, I used to do that too. Memories. Don't you want it to pick up automatically?
Yeah, I just haven't done it yet. I put a post receive git hook in my project directory, but I don't think I don't think I've done it all. Anyway.
I think so. A git hook is probably an overkill. Like we're not Google, but I've converged to the heuristic that my take is to have a script that I run locally, that makes sure the remote is identical to local.
Wait,
So like there's a
maybe-
script that I can just run.
Uh-huh.
You have to go to the machine SSH and then run a couple commands.
Yes.
You can wrap those commands into a script and just run it with a single command remotely.
Oh,
Something did not work. There was some issue.
why did that fail?
You're streaming for the record, so be careful.
I know.
Like, don't share.
Why is
Don't
my
show your
app production?
credentials.
Oh god, I lost my production key environment. I'm not gonna. Oh no.
Yeah, be careful.
I know. I'm not gonna cat it. Okay. I mean, all it has is
now
my
we got
Google Analytics key, so it's not like super. At least this one. The other one has a lot more keys, but this one's just my Google Analytics key. So there's not much in there. Like my Discord bot has all my API keys, you know. Where's my Discord bot? Right here. Party. What do I need for my party?
So is this like? Would you describe this as vibe coding
This is vibe coding, yeah. To me, at
with
least.
like 3 projects happening concurrently, 3 IDs?
Yeah, because like I'm waiting on one. See, it's computing stuff, so I'm just doing it out. See, that's why I'm waiting
Are
for
you
the
on
Docker
your-
build. This one I'm waiting for the AI to complete, and this one I'm not doing anything with my bot, so I guess I'll talk to my bot.
Are you on your laptop? On like a laptop screen?
So what you're seeing is my curve monitor, and I also have a laptop screen.
Gotcha.
Because on my laptop screen, I have my OBS running, and also my private Gmail and stuff. And then my big screen, I got my my coding setups.
Also, your OBS on a laptop screen is making sure your big screen is being streamed.
Yes.
That's sweet. I guess I'll consider that myself for the future. Thank you for an advice.
Yeah, you're welcome. Let's see, where are we at? Okay, my website's done, so I'm done with that. Although I wanted to add some one thing on my website. One thing is not very obvious. Is Discord.
Could you show the div of the website, if you don't mind me asking?
It's
a public repo, right?
The last thing it did?
Yeah. Is the website a public repo?
No, not yet. I'm waiting to leave Google before I make everything open source. I mean, it's not a big diff. Just changing some.
Yeah. This looks clean to me. Yeah. I was hoping to see something bigger that is AI generated.
Oh.
I mean, this literally looks like a set. Looks like a set, right?
Yeah. No, this one.
And I think it indented the first line. It indented the first line, Chris.
What?
Somehow. Use strict became indented. I have no idea why. That's why I don't trust AI.
No, that's not the AI.
Look
that's
at
me. That's me. That's me.
Oh.
Because I accidentally pressed tab or something. That's usually me, not the AI.
Yeah. Well, maybe one day I'll stop checking every single line. So far, I think it's a good habit.
Okay, well there you go. But you know why that is? Is because I'm in the terminal typing stuff and it steals my focus. So I accidentally type into the text in the code window. Like that's my issue with Klein. It steals focus.
Can you teach it not to? That's the issue with what exactly?
Klein. The plugin I'm using.
Is there a different plugin?
Yeah, there's Windsurf, there's Klein, there's Cursor. They're different. Sorry, I didn't understand what you said. Maybe.
No, it's more like, can you just ask it to stop stealing focus? That's the
no,
AI
because it's part of the extension, right? The AI is just interacting with this extension. What extension is what drives
right.
Code.
But you can ask the AI, hey, I'm using this extension, how to stop it from stealing focus.
I would have to download the source code extension, use the AI on the extension.
Maybe there's an option. Maybe the AI knows it.
Yeah.
Well, first of all, you can tweak the extension locally. You don't need to
Yeah, that's fair. I guess I could do that.
But you might not have to. There should be an option. You're not the only one suffering from that.
No, I think I am.
Come on, I detest the idea that the
I went to the chat
whatever.
group of Klein and I brought it up, and the main PM actually reached out to me. Here, check it out. Klein. I brought it up in Klein chat. I don't think anyone else has because he reached out to me. Anyway, preparing my party. I'm doing a goodbye party in Munich.
That's nice. Have you been streaming before?
What?
Have you been streaming before?
No. A little bit on Twitch, but not really.
It's like your first experience to actually do stuff publicly.
Yeah, exactly.
Cool.
As long as you don't dox yourself, I think you're fine.
I believe so.
And don't leak cookies.
It's a good practice. It's a good practice anyway. Yeah. So what's with the refactoring? The biggest AI piece of work.
All right. Yes. I think it says it's done. So git status. A bunch of files. I made a whole components directory with 4 files in it. Let me first run it and see if it actually
just
works.
2? No, wait. Just 2 files?
It made the components directory, created these 4 files right here. It modified these 2 files.
Yeah, I see it on the right. It's just the git status only only show 2 files. It's fine.
Oh,
does
it? Oh, 6.
Let's see. It works.
Yeah.
Truly does.
Oh, this is really loud. Okay, so
So does it mean we can commit it now and add the volume control, or?
yeah. Yeah, I like emojis. There
No,
you go.
just it's funny how people differ. I would certainly do git commit -m from the terminal.
No, but I'm too lazy to write a nice commit message.
Yeah, that's exactly the reason I would consider your option. That's why I was smiling.
Ah, see, look
And
at
now
the
it's going to
commit
give you
message,
like
right?
even if I can, looks okay, yeah. But
It's,
even if I have my own nice commit message, I would not have the emoji. So that like emoji alone is a good reason to use AI to generate commit messages.
All right, let's add a volume control. Well, first let's do a git show of the last commit, right? So it's quite a bit of code, just space barring.
Is this repository public?
Not yet.
Okay then. I find it enjoyable to watch these diffs like visually, and GitHub is probably the best way to do it, but no pressure.
Yeah, eventually I want to put some stuff on GitHub. Not yet, but not yet though.
Oh, speaking of which, by the way, since I only started using a Mac recently, what's the best diff, like visual diff tool for a Mac?
I don't know.
So you're also happy with the textual diff?
I mean, I usually use like, where is it?
I was big on Meld, but Meld is discontinued
No, I use
for
VS Code.
macOS.
Here, VS Code. See, it shows me this file's new. It shows me this file has diffs, but I want side-by-side diff. Let me do side-by-side diff.
Yeah, but I want some tool that I could run from the command line. It's fine. Yeah, I can also use VS Code. I do some.
I'm sure there's one made in Rust nowadays, and if it's Rust, it's cool. Rust diff tool. Difftastic, right? That's the one. It's like smart about ASTs and stuff.
All right.
Where are you?
I'll check it out.
There you go. Right. New task. It's always good to start a fresh context. Please add a volume control. What is that called? Control. But yeah, you can see it does quite a bunch of code, right? Look at all this stuff, and this stuff, and this stuff.
Yeah, it looks like I did do the refactoring job.
Mm-hmm.
Can I do the volume control now?
I mean, that seems pretty easy. I just wish, oh, the one thing that drives me nuts is there's some padding, so there's like this scroll bar here, which drives me nuts. I have to fix that. I see this thing, this is annoying me. Inspect. Why is it so slow today? Usually it streams a little bit faster. I still wish it was 10x faster, right? It's still too slow for me, but like, it's not like extremely slow. Like it's doable. It's just a bit painful. But if 10x faster, and like it'd be insane.
Well, the theory that file size matters does not seem to hold true, right?
Yeah. Well, you know why, right? Because there's a limit to the output context window. So if you ask an AI to write a really long file, it's going to run out of the context window. Like 8K tokens, I think, is usually most models. Because their input context window is like 1 million, but or 200,000 for Claude, but like the output context window is only like 8,000 or something. If I remember correctly.
I mean, I know this. I've never touched this. I never experienced this myself. But 800K sounds like a lot. So, like, you really want to
No,
you gotta
8K,
try
no,
hard to
not
generate.
800K, 8K.
Well, but still, like 8K is not a lot.
No, it's not that much.
But if it's 8K, then you're forced to generate small diffs.
Oh, I put it here. Why did I put it here? This is terrible. Okay, it does work at least functionally. I guess it works, does it?
Didn't you want the gold color?
Do I want what?
You asked it for gold gradient.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. Yeah, I forgot about asking that again because it started a fresh conversation. Please put the volume in the left nav bar instead, and yeah, it needs to pop, you know. I still don't like. I like the magenta. I don't like the blue. The blue's a bit like 2004.
I agree. Magenta is like the 80s.
Yeah, but magenta is like a nice retro feel to it, and if you add it to modern UI, then it's like I like the way it pops out here. Because it's like it's super flat, like it's minimalistic flat design, so it's pretty modern. Oh, okay. Well, didn't put it in the right place. That is annoying. That's annoying. Okay. Well, it works functionally, so I'll just do is oops. Nope. See, this is what happens, right? Fix focus, and I start typing git inside the file. Git status. Slow. Let's go back to my bot. Ooh, honey, good idea. It's gonna be quite the spread. No, not tzatziki. I don't think I can get that. Not popcorn.
Is this for you or for the AI?
This is from my party. 2
I
weeks
mean,
from now.
I'm sincerely curious, but what are you going to do with it? I guess in America you could ask ChatGPT to turn this into an Amazon Fresh order,
Yeah.
and in Europe do you like have to buy it yourself or?
I go to the shop and buy it.
Gotcha.
But I don't. It helps with the ideation, right? I just said I have these few things. Like I have these ideas: vegetables, hummus, baguette, nuts, berries, fruits, avocado, candy, ginger, cheese, and like I have more suggestions. And then boom, I have all these great suggestions. I don't have to think about it, you know. I liberate my brain to think about other things.
This I like.
Let's see. Okay. What is up? This volume is not working at all. Well, it's working a little bit, but not like silent, quiet, a little bit quiet, super loud, even more loud. Like, what's up with that? Like, where's like the normal settings? I don't like these sounds. They're not very nice. But anyway, let's try this one.
Yeah, that's confusion.
All of them. 4,500 files. Wow, it's going pretty fast. It's importing them. 1K. This needs to be brighter, right? This is hard to read. And I don't like the fact it says volume here. It's pretty obvious from the emoji, and it just takes another liner. So I'm gonna fix that in the meantime while it computes. Oh. Better.
You forgot the emoji.
Yeah, but I did it. I think I have it in its client rules. Like, I have the rules file here, client rules, which says commit cross messages must be prefixed with an appropriate emoji. Example.
Nice.
It even has its own memory bank, which there's this prompt you use inside of client rules. Where is it? Advanced settings. No. Here, this one. I'm client memory bank. I'm client, and you have this long prompt you put in the custom instructions, and it keeps track of like what the project is happening and the progress of the project on its own. Like, I don't touch this memory bank. It's its own documentation about where it's at, what the progress is, what's left to build. I create these documents, but with the help of Simply Lumina, asking for some personas, some CUJs, and some constraints. And that's what I generate.
So like speaking in the interview setting, it kind of writes its own FRs and NFRs before writing the code.
Yep.
And it keeps these FRs and NFRs up to date.
Yep.
That's clever. And I assume the memory bank is used for every single query. So it's sort of like gives advice to its future self.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, what do I want to do next? Well, first of all, that didn't. Oh, it's still. Oh, damn, error. Import error. All right, let's see if I can make this work. What?
I don't want to see it work.
You don't want what?
I want to see it work. Like, to me, it sounds like a non-trivial task.
Yeah, this is a task where I basically didn't do shit. It's like, I task completed. No, you didn't. Well, it thought about the volume thing. That is thing. Okay, let's just start a new chat. Please update memory bank. The next feature adding is LM chat and the ability to drag and organize samples into folders and create folders and subfolders. Either through mouse and drag or through agentic tool usage of the LM. I don't know if I can get this to work, but my backend is in Rust, and I've never written Rust talking to an LLM before. I guess that's a new challenge. See, it's reading its own files. Usually you have to click approve every time. The nice thing is a client has like auto approve for which actions you want to auto approve. So you don't have to like click approve, approve, approve. It just does it. Reading more files, thinking. Anyway.
Well, to me, it feels like I'm babysitting a very junior developer who's super fast. And I'm still uncertain if this person has the capacity to grow into a super senior developer.
But I don't need
so I might be wasting my time trying to teach them.
Why? I don't need it to grow into super senior developer. I'm an architect, and I tell my AI what to build for me, and I vibe by steering it. Why do I need more than that? If creation becomes single click, there's no value in it because creation will lose its human connection.
I hear you.
Sure, was the model was a bit. Well, the original model was a bit faster, so I could steer it more, and it was more interactive. Like it's a lot of waiting. That's why multi project. But you know, like there needs to be some input from the human. There needs to be a human in the loop.
I'm still trying to rethink what the future will bring with vibe coding.
I think it will
I
be
mean, so,
creator
like,
economy. Like everyone gets to like spend time with AI building the thing they want to build in this world. Right? It's not about big business anymore. It's about every creator having the tools and the capabilities to build whatever they want to build.
I'm all for empowering creators. I want to see what better tools we have to use. I mean, like, look at Apple as a company.
Mm-hmm.
I don't think they could build better laptops or better OS or better iPhone if every single engineer has this tool. Because to me, the people who contribute the most impactful, the most productive people are far above the level where this helps much. So it's really to chill in a vibe. When you feel like you want to try certain things here and there,
Yeah.
and they magically appear.
Mm-hmm.
Like for the emotion, for you as a creator, 100%, no question here.
Mm-hmm.
Like part of me still cares about long-term output.
I think you underestimate the long-term output of this approach. Like this bot I've built right here, this is quite a bit of code. I mean, it's not huge, but it's not small either.
Show me the bot.
The what?
Show me what it does. The bot.
The bot? Oh, sure.
Yeah.
Well, I asked.
23K?
Okay, I asked. Oh, shit, I should probably remove this. This is about my Tinder profile. It's maybe a little too TMI. I'm brainstorming about my company. I asked it to play music. Let's create a new chat, so I'm not like leaking everything. Chat new, blah, personal chat. Hi, nice to meet you. Which model am I using right now? Brain model. I think I'm using the new Gemini 2.5. Actually, I can see in all my usage. Yeah, Gemini 2.5 I'm using since today or yesterday. Come on, it's a bit slow.
All in all, would you say Discord is a good tool to build this, like a good platform to build such tools for yourself?
Yeah, it's great. Like I don't have to worry about storage of conversation history. I don't have to worry about an API for different channels for debug information and other information. I don't have to worry about creating a server that allows multiple people to log in and have auth and stuff. Like I get all that for free. I get moderation tools for free. I got a lot for free.
All right, so now it cannot say yes to me, like say hello to me.
Oh yeah, you're right. Let's see what happened here. Tool usage. Send. Oh, okay. Sometimes it bugs out. Let me get some water. It's slow because it's doing a bunch of stuff in the background. Oh, what the hell is going on? Tool usage. Let's see. List channels. Stay on voice. Oh, right. I made a bug in my code recently. Oh, damn it. Yeah, I changed the way the methods are wrapped, and I don't pass arguments the right way anymore, I think. So I have a bug there. Well, I don't have a bug. The AI is a bug, but I told the AI to do it. Okay, right. This is bounding. It's found the right location right away about what it needs to fix. What did it do? No, it's incorrect. Can't see this one. Get status. All right, save the documentation. Okay. Please check. Okay, that's incorrect. So let's check this.
Yeah, I guess the only way I can tell it's AI generated code is by the amount of comments.
And the has adder. I don't like has adder. Such a smell. Like has, if you use has adder, it's a bad design.
Rule.
Typically, I mean there are exceptions to that rule, but
Well, as the joke goes, AI generated code sucks because it was trained on your code. People use has adder a lot, and and it shows.
Yeah, exactly.
They think there's no go-to.
Okay, so I think this is all unuseful code. I think it goes like this. Just reading a lot of files because the default rules tell to read some old memory bank all the time. I should put some music on. It's a little bit quiet, isn't it?
What time is it now on your side?
What?
What time is it on your side?
9 p.m. 8:40, 8:50.
Do you plan to keep doing this for a long time?
I don't know, midnight, a couple hours, 3 hours.
So you're gonna stream a couple hours of doing this?
Yeah.
Wait.
You don't have to stay for a couple hours, but I'm gonna stay for a couple hours.
I got work to do.
Yeah, exactly.
No, so first of all, I'm bonding with you, and second, I'm trying to help your cause in the best
thank
way
you.
possible. So basically, I think you would love to have more people here, right?
Yes.
How do I best help you?
Find people that are interested in this topic. Find people that want to see me build a startup on stream, and code on stream, and make music software on stream.
And then what happens? We just you
What?
call them over to the stream, and then you guys hack together.
No, we chat, we talk. Like, the way I see it is like, every product needs user research, right? Every product needs users to give their input, what they want, what features they want. I figure if people come watch me because they think this is interesting, then they'll probably want to talk to me, and then probably have opinions about what they want to see done. So I figure, why not vibe with the crowd on feature discovery?
Sounds good. I keep thinking in the back of my mind, what's the best I can do? I can ask a couple of friends. I have friends who are into music. That's number one. I start taking notes of myself. I can ask friends who are into music, and I can ask friends who are into like streaming and live coding.
Cool.
See what happens.
Yeah, it'd be fun. Thank you.
I hope I helped.
Yeah, I mean, even your presence, like I have someone to talk to, because usually it's just me on my own.
How does it feel?
To stream?
Yeah, like how do you start? So, look, I have a YouTube channel.
Yes.
And the way it started is I said, you know what, let's find enough people who want to talk about this stuff, and we gathered like off the record for a couple times, and then we said, okay, fine, we probably can record like every fifth or so. Okay, fine, every third, every fourth is recorded and released. But I don't think I could like cold start by being alone there and hoping someone joins. Like to me, it started from talking to people who would love to find time and do it. And then there's some like community managers who tell you that there's some art in like speaking in marketing terms, in making sure that being present on the stream creates more value for them, so they can't miss it. So sometimes you're like, hey, important decisions have been made, so you have to put it on your calendar and you have to be there. So there's enough skin in the game for them to make it. And like from what I know, this approach works. I wish you all the best. I want you to succeed. I've not seen people who just said, I'm gonna stream and see what happens. There's a decent chance you'll run out of stamina before you get a critical mass of people who want to help you.
That depends. If I'm just enjoying myself and doing stuff, then it doesn't matter, right? I won't want to stream because I'm doing things I enjoy.
Cool. Okay, then let me ask you this: any schedule to your streams?
Not yet. Not until I finish my job.
It's more like if it's on my calendar, and if I know which streams are more interesting, I could plan ahead and just say, like, you know what, like next week Thursday I can make it, and then I could ask friends to join.
I mean, once I'm off work daily, where I spend time on a computer making music and coding, might as well just do it while I'm live streaming.
Fair. So when you say once you're off work, that's like weeks or months or what?
I'm in discussion with my director.
Right, so it's okay, fine. So
It's
once it happens,
worst case is end of June, but then I have to work backwards because I have 27 and a half days of vacation left. So 27 and a half days of vacation before June, ends would be what, mid-May. But both me and my director agree
So-
it doesn't make
so
sense
it's-
for me to stay longer right now. So I think I'm gonna leave
Yeah,
sooner.
I don't feel like it's something you want to talk about publicly on the stream. It's more like it's like realistically, it's like two months max,
Yes.
and like could be as could be before that.
Yes.
Cool. So and until then, I assume it's gonna be like sporadic, and let's see what happens.
Yes, exactly.
Just I hate to say like, okay, I'll try to drop by, and then I never do because it's not on my cat hunter, not anywhere, and I get dragged into other things.
Mm-hmm.
So I'd love to like plan something. How do
Yeah,
we do it
that'd be
best?
fun.
Maybe I'll put a reminder for myself in the calendar to ping you like, I don't know, next week. Oh, I'm gonna be in Europe for a business trip.
When?
Most likely next week. But it's gonna be busy. It's gonna be super busy.
My next week I'm in Netherlands.
I'm gonna be in Germany, most likely.
Don't dox yourself too much, but yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm.
But anyways, so I'm gonna, after I'm back, I'm gonna ping you like early April,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll set a date, and I'll probably ask other people if they're into joining.
Yeah, that sounds like fun.
Alrighty. So in this case, I hereby declare it a productive conversation.
Yes, I agree.
Have fun coding.
Thank you.
I'll
Have a good one.
I'll get back to work. Yeah. Take care, man. It's good to reconnect.
Yeah, exactly. See ya. Peace.
Stay safe. Live long and prosper. Peace.
Exactly. Bye. I need more water. Little drag thingies. That's pretty. But it's still fun. Sorry, just putting a bank account. These dots are not centered. Red bar is too big, they need so much space. Okay. This way. Oh boy. This is how I want to be able to git commit small or commit small changes every time to make sure that. Oh, there we go. Close this one. I don't know how my audio is today. I should probably check.
Want to talk about this stuff? About stuff? And we gathered like... About stuff? And we gathered like... About stuff? And we gathered like... About stuff? And we...
Sorry, delay. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it 10 minutes. 10 minutes from now, we're gonna stop streaming. How long have I been streaming? Nearly. Yeah, 9 more minutes, and then we can call it quits for today.
Yeah.
you for watching.